Yes, do respond. Has anybody finished?
One is left.
Together. The second sentence is everyone looks at him with hatred.
He hated by everyone.
He
Everyone hates him.
Everyone hates me. We should avoid using passive. Do that. Everyone hates him. Okay? That is very much okay. Everyone hates him. Coming to the next, the film has got a lot of appreciation from the audience.
The film was appreciated by the audience.
Okay, the film is appreciated a lot by the audience. All right?
The audience appreciated the film a lot.
Yeah. All right. The audience appreciates the film a lot. I repeat, that would be better one. The audience, this is a despicable act. Yeah.
This act has disposition.
What is noun of despicable? We have done this. It was despisal. You seem to have forgotten. Its noun is despisal and its verb is despise. So, can you use this as a noun or even as a verb in your sentence? Anybody? Yes, come up.
Sir, what's the noun of despise?
Despite this is act. Despite
Des-
this is act.
Despisal.
This act is despisable.
No, no. That's not possible. That's a wrong sentence. You cannot say this act is despisal. This act deserves despisal. This act deserves despisal. Okay? People despise this act. People despise this act. There are two possibilities. This act deserves despisal. That means it is despicable. Then only it deserves so. And the second can be people despise this act. Okay? Coming to the fifth one, the behavior of some people is disgusting. The behavior of some people is disgusting. Yes, why?
The disgust behavior of some people.
Yes, will you repeat?
The disgust behavior of some people.
No, no. You are using disgust in your sentence as an adjective.
Sir, some
Yeah.
people behave disgust.
No,
Some people are
Some people-
disgusting behavior.
no,
Some people disgust by their behavior.
no.
The behavior is disgust of some people.
No. So you all are making a mistake that you are using the word for a different grammatical grammar. The way you want to use it is not possible. It can be the behavior of some people disgusts. The behavior of some people disgusts. Okay, that means the behavior of some people disgusts others. If you want to use others, you can. Otherwise, disgusts is also possible. The behavior of some people disgusts. All right, कुछ लोगों का behavior disgust करता है दूसरों को. This is what this sentence would mean. The behavior of some people disgusts. Okay, so is disgusting or directly disgusts. All right. The other sentence can be, if you want to use disgust as a noun, the behavior of some people deserves disgust. The behavior of some people deserves disgust. All right.
Sir, some people behave disgust.
No, no. No, behave, disgust, behave, disgust. I mean, behave is followed by adverb, but you are using disgust as a noun there, and that is not possible. All right, so your use of the word is wrong there. I'm repeating, the behavior of some people disgusts. The second possible sentence can be, the behavior of some people deserves disgust. All right. The requirement of the movement is the unity of all sections of society.
The movement is required to unite all the sections of society.
Okay, movement.
The movement is required
will
to
you please-
unite all the sections of society.
Okay, and
The unity of all sections of society is required at the moment.
yes, it is required that all sections of society are united at the moment. All right. So there are various renditions possible. When we have to use them, we should be very sure whether we are using these words correctly. We might not be able to use them correctly initially because these words might be very new for us, and also our familiarity with English is not so much that we can easily use them, as these words are low frequency. So if you really want to use these words correctly, you should increase your familiarity with English language, the English items, and also speaking and writing. All right, any question here?
No, sir.
Anybody, any question, any comment? Brief review of a movie that you might have watched, of any a TV series. You might have read a book, you might have bought a product. Okay, so you have to write a brief review of that. Okay, right away. And please do remember, when you are writing a review, you follow the way discussed in this unit. All right, you were taught how to, all right, all those things. So please write a brief review of any movie, of any TV series, of any product you bought, or of any book you read, whatever. I'm giving you 5 minutes time for that. Do that.